Good morning, students. As you are seen that today we have to discuss exercise 14.2, and in this exercise total we are seeing that total 14 questions are present. So these are also a problem based question. So in this exercise you all have to write the statement along with the solution. Okay, so statement is very necessary. Okay, so I have solved few questions, okay, by which you will get the idea how to solve these questions in your fair copy. Okay, these are very important exercise. Okay, so all of you practice this at least 2 to 3 times. Now see here what is written. It is written here adjacent sides. Somewhere in the question you will find written adjacent side. What is adjacent side? See here in Hindi I have written अगल बगल की साइड्स को हम लोग एडजेसेंट साइड्स बोलते हैं. जैसे कि ये फिगर को देखो, इन दिस फिगर ए बी एंड बी सी ये दोनों क्या है, अगल बगल की साइड्स हैं. ये और ये अगल बगल की, ए बी और ए डी अगल बगल की साइड्स, सी डी और ए डी अगल बगल की, और सी डी और सी बी ये भी अगल बगल की. मतलब ये और ये अगल बगल की साइड्स होती हैं, इसी को हम लोग एडजेसेंट साइड्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर्मूला आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज एल इंटू बी, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर वी नो साइड इंटू साइड, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो. ओके, नाउ सी हियर आई हैव सॉल्व फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल whose two adjacent sides are given. Okay, that means I have taken third question 2 meter and 90 centimeters. Okay, so see how I have solved here. See here, question number 4, third part. We have to find the area of rectangle. So I have written first the formula L into B. Then I have drawn a rectangle. Here I have shown that length is 2 meter and breadth is 90 centimeter. Okay, then I have written it properly like a statement. Length is 2 meter, breadth is 90 centimeter, but as the units are different, so we will convert it into single unit. 90 divided by 100, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter, so we will divide by 100, it will be converted into meter. Now both length and breadth are in meter. Okay, so now we will find the area. L into B, 2 into 0.9 will give 1.8 meter square. Area यूनिट विल बी ऑलवेज इन स्क्वायर लाइक दिस, मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, एरिया की यूनिट हमेशा स्क्वायर यूनिट में लिखी जाती है. ठीक है. फिर देन आई हैव टेकन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर हुज साइड्स आर गिवन. आई हैव टेकन सेकंड क्वेश्चन 14 मीटर. ओके, नाउ सी हाउ आई हैव सॉल्व. आई हैव ड्रॉन अ डायग्राम ऑफ स्क्वायर showing that all sides will be equal and side is 14 meter given. Then I have mentioned side equals to 14 meter. Then we have to find the area. The formula of area is side into side. I have mentioned properly. Then 14 into 14 equals to 196 meter square will be the answer. Okay. Then see question number 7. Question number 7. What is the cost of tiling? Tiling means टाइल्स बिछाना, जो टाइल्स बिछाए जाते हैं प्लॉट्स में. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular field 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 7.5 per 100 square meter? So see how we have solved this question. I have drawn a diagram again. See, in every question what you are observing that you have to draw a diagram which is very important along with the statement. 500 meter long, 200 meter wide. Length is given 500 meter, breadth is given 200 meter. Then we will find the area. Why? Because tiling is done in the area only. So area equals to L into B, 500 into 200 will give 10,000 meter square. This is the area we have find. Now we have to find the number of tiles. Okay, we will find the number of tiles, then only we can find the cost. अगर हमें टाइल्स मालूम होगी कि हाँ ये इस रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट में इतनी टाइल्स लगी हैं, तो हम उसको आराम से क्या है, जो क्वेश्चन में रेट दे रखा है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करके उसका हम कॉस्ट निकाल लेंगे. क्योंकि अगर हमें मालूम हो कि एक टाइल्स, जैसे कि मान लो कि एक टाइल 5 रुपये की खरीदी गई. ठीक है, हमें मालूम है कि एक प्लॉट में हमें 20 टाइल्स, एक प्लॉट में हमें 20 टाइल्स बिछानी पड़ी. तो कितनी टाइल्स लगी? 20 टाइल्स लगी. तो एक टाइल का दाम हमें मालूम था 5 रुपये है, तो हमने 20 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 100 रुपये आ गया कॉस्ट पूरी टाइलिंग का. उसी लिए तो हमें जानना क्या जरूरी है, नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स. So this is not given question, we have to find it, number of tiles. So number of tiles will find how, that now we have find the area of this plot, that is 10,000 square meter. So area of plot divided by area of one tile, which is given in the question. In question it is properly given, see here, it is properly given rupees 7.5 per 100 square meter. That means one tile is covering how much area? 100 square meter. One tile is covering 100 square meter area. So we will divide it by 100. Why? Because area of plot upon area of one tile will give the number of tiles. That means 10,000 is divided by 100. That means 1,000 tiles is the number of tiles. Okay. Then rate is given 7.5 in the question. So cost of tiling will be how much? 7.5 into 1,000, that is 7,500 rupees. Okay. So you are seeing that there are total how many questions in this exercise? Total there are 14 question, in which question number 14 you can cut. Okay. In which question number 14 you can cut. So till question number 13 you have to solve. Rest all the question are almost of same type. So I have solved few question. Rest you have to do in your fair copies. If any problem you can ask me. Okay. Thank you. So what happened? Now your mensuration part is over. Chapter number 14 mensuration is over. So now you can complete this exercise chapter, and now only one chapter is left, that is data handling. Okay. Thank you.